that are different in the math.
I was going to ask you another question is related with quantum computer. We have had this question a lot in our community is, does quantum computing pose a threat in the future for the encryption methods? Can we get a private key with a quantum computer?
So here's the question, here's the thing, right? Practically useful quantum computing, as far as we know, is quite a long ways off, which is kind of point one, right? Point two is the nihilist argument, which is the same cryptographic primitives that keep your digital assets safe are the ones that keep you safe all the time. I mean, that phone you're on right now is using those exact same primitives as it's communicating with networks all the time. Yeah. And the things that would be broken, you know, were we to have practically available quantum computing and the algorithms to back it up. Yeah. I like to tell people you're boned in so many different ways that, you know, the digital assets are perhaps one of your least worries. We do know that some algorithms are quantum resistant. We know that some algorithms are, for sure, quantum vulnerable, you might say. And keep in mind that, you know, it's saying that something is quantum vulnerable, in my mind, says that we know, given certain types of quantum computers that operate in certain ways, we have algorithms that would break those primitives. And we have a whole other class of cryptographic primitives where we don't know. So it's not just like you can look at a primitive and say, this is quantum resistant, this is quantum vulnerable, or we're not sure. Yes. And even if you think it would be quantum vulnerable, it does not mean that you have an algorithm that will do it efficiently. So it's a subtle question. It's one that's not here yet. I'm glad people are doing research and work on it. Yeah. But you know, when that day comes, you know, we hope that we have prepared enough primitives that are good enough for that. But should we find that things are broken, there will be many things that are broken.
Yes,
so
definitely. And you'll keep improving as time goes by and creating solutions to each.
Right, exactly. You know, a lot of people use bike locks. I need to make sure that my bike lock is better than the worst bike lock.